Okay, so there's a lot of talk about April 8th and the eclipse, as well as prophecy and a bunch of things. Now, with the recent events, especially the Baltimore Bridge, Lahaina, Maui, Hawaii, and some other instances, I have been thinking more along the lines of some type of mass EMP event happening. So, this is where I start to question, just me, myself personally, I question if people, when they consider the rapture, how people will just disappear, up and disappear. Well, also, like, I look at the technologies used in World War II, like Nazi crowd control, where they could, from a remote position, wirelessly control crowds using towers. That sounds a little familiar these days when I look around everywhere now. And in scripture and in prophecy, it talks about do not go down from the rooftop. Two will be out in the field. One will be left, the other will be taken. So I'm just kind of wondering if it has something to do with that. I know just based on visions that I've received myself, not even hearing what anybody else out there has to say, that many people will no longer be with us here on this plane, this planet, this year. So I'm just wondering what your guys' thoughts are on this whole eclipse event and your thoughts on EMP. That's just based on my own research and things that I've studied mostly my entire life, but some conclusions I've drawn, and I'm just kind of curious to see where everybody else is at. Thanks, and have a great night.